Is your monthly region's bank statement a little bit of a mystery? Do you open it up, look at a few numbers, and then tuck it away, hoping everything is okay? You're not alone. Bank statements can look intimidating, full of terms and figures that aren't always crystal clear. But the truth is, your statement is one of the most powerful tools you have for managing your money, spotting errors, and protecting yourself from fraud. Think of it as your monthly financial report card, offering a clear snapshot of everything that happened in your account over the last 30 days. So, let's take a few minutes to demystify it. We're going to walk through the essential sections of a typical region's bank statement so you can read yours with confidence and understanding. When you look at your statement, whether it's a paper copy or a digital one, it's organized into a few key areas. Right at the top, you'll find the summary information. This is the quick glance section. It shows your beginning balance, the amount of money in your account at the start of the statement period, and your ending balance, the money you have right now. Crucially, it also lists the total deposits and the total withdrawals for the entire period. These four numbers tell the whole story in brief. Next, you'll move into the detailed transaction history. This is the heart of the statement, where every single action is listed in chronological order. Each line item has three key pieces of information: the date the transaction occurred, a description of what happened, and the amount. For the description, pay close attention. Deposits will be listed clearly, like a paycheck as direct deposit or cash as teller deposit. On the flip side, withdrawals will include debit card purchases, ATM withdrawals, checks cleared, and any recurring payments. If you see a code or an abbreviation you don't recognize, quickly reference the key, usually found on the back of a paper statement or on the last page of a PDF. Now, look for the interest and fees section. This is a vital area. If your account earns interest, the amount will be listed here. More importantly, this is where you'll find any service charges or monthly fees that regions may have applied to your account. Always double-check this to make sure you're not paying a fee you could have avoided. For example, maybe you dropped below the minimum balance required to waive a monthly maintenance fee. Finally, most region statements will include a section with year-to-date totals and perhaps some important notices. The year-to-date figures are great for seeing your progress towards saving goals or tracking your annual spending in different categories. Always quickly scan the notices for updates on bank policy or fee changes that might affect you in the future. The goal isn't just to look at the numbers, it's to actively reconcile your account. Take the time to match the transactions on your statement against your own records, your check register, your debit card receipts, or your budgeting app. This is how you catch a fraudulent charge, an incorrect fee, or a deposit that didn't go through. It's your final line of defense. Reading your statement doesn't have to be a chore. It's a 5-minute habit that puts you firmly in control of your financial life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.